The future. We all talk about it. But what will the future look like? What developments would the world see? The future doesn't happen automatically. It's created by those who are in control of today. Interestingly, as we speak, there are minds across the world that are working to shape tomorrow. New projects are envisaged, new products being conceptualized. Let's take a peek into the future through some of these projects. The Tokyo Sky City. Some Japanese architects want to change our approach to urban crowding. They think we can live in the sky, and they hope to build a vertical city twice the height of today's tallest skyscraper that would house, employ and entertain hundreds of thousands of people. Imagine offices, train lines, clubs, parks, stadiums, hotels, all within. New methods are being envisioned to construct this self-sufficient township in the sky to form a hyper-city. Boston's Big Dig. Boston believes that much of its traffic congestion and pollution would disappear if many of its roads would disappear. This would entail creating new roads under the city's land and water to connect main city centers with the airport. This would bury the modern city's main downtown highway to transform Boston's landscape beyond recognition. Electrification without cables. Imagine huge plants, complexes, and major installations electrified without using much cabling. This unique theory aims to revolutionize the concept of electrification structure through a radical method. A leap that promises an advantageous new future. Breaking news. The future is already here. This project of the future has already taken shape. Hold your breath and get ready to see a marvel of technology that Legrand is about to unveil. The power of electrification without cabling. The world calls it Zucchini.